Alright guys, we're on page 6. Alright, we're almost there. Alright, so these are kind of easy. Find the line that passes through 4, 0 and is vertical. Alright, if it's vertical, it's x equals. If it's horizontal, it's y equals. Alright, so it's vertical. X equals, what's your x value? 4. Alright, that is the line that's going to pass through 4, 0 is x equals 4 if it's a vertical line. Find the line that passes through and is vertical of -2, 1. Well, it's vertical, so it's x equals, what's the x value? -2. Find the line that passes through 7, 2 and is horizontal. Alright, well, since this is horizontal, it's y equals. And what's the y value? 2. Next one, find the line passed through 4, 3 and is horizontal. So it's horizontal, so it's y equals. And what's the y value? 3. And that's all you gotta do for those. Alright, secret word, guys, Kris Kringle. That means on the test you want to put Santa Claus, Kris Kringle, whatever it is. Alright, those are the same person. Kris Kringle. Alright, this part right here, guys. This is the most confusing part for a lot of people. Graphing piecewise functions. So, let's try to get this. Let's first do what we're supposed to be doing, okay? First thing, let's find these. Okay, so first let's find the invisible line, actually. Alright, the invisible line. What this line represents is that neither part of this piecewise function can cross over this line. That means at this line it transitions from one function to the next function. Alright, you find this by finding what the x is greater than or less than at, which is 1. So we're going to draw a vertical line, okay, vertical line at where that is. So x is equal to 1 right here. So we're going to draw a vertical dotted line. Meaning this is the line that neither of these functions can pass. Okay? Now, we essentially are going to have at this line, we're going to have either an open or closed circle for each function. So 4x minus 1. Okay, so this is going to be the open circle. The reason why is there's no line under this inequality, so it's open circle. This one has a line under it, so it's going to be closed circle. Our next and final step is to make our t-chart, essentially. X, Y, t-charts, okay? Making your X, Y, t-charts. This first function goes here. This section function goes here. They both are going to have, since this is things at 1, we're going to put 1 in both columns of the x's. This is x is less than 1, so we're going to put number less than 1. This is x is greater than 1, so we're going to put number greater than 1. We're going to plug these in. 0 goes in for x. 4 times 0 minus 1. So the 4 times 0 is 0, minus 1 becomes -1. 1. 1 times 4 is 4, minus 1 becomes 3. Now, this one we're going to do with this one. 1 goes in the x. 1 times 3 is 3. Plus 2 is 5. 2 goes into that. 2 times 3 is 6. Plus 2 is 8. So, we have our two lines. Okay, now let's graph the two lines. First one's at 0, -1. 0, -1, I'm going to put a point. Now, this next one is at the transition line, this line right here. Okay, now let's go back to this equation. It's the open dot for this one, so it's going to be open dot at where 1, 3 is. So 1, 3 is right here. We're going to put an open dot. We're going to connect the 2 points. There you go. That's your first line. Second line, 3x plus 2. Alright, transition line is going to be right here. You got a closed dot. Alright, closed dot where the 1 is. So 1, 5. So we're going to find 1, 5. We're going to put a closed dot. And we're going to find 2, 8. Closed dot. Connect the 2 points. That is your piecewise function right there. Okay, next one. Same exact steps. First step, okay? Let's find our transition line, the little dotted line. 2. Let's find 2. 2's right here. Put a dotted line. Okay. This one has the line under the inequality, so this is closed. This one doesn't. Open. Let's make 2 t-charts. Our xy. XY. This one's 2x plus 3. This one's 4x minus 4. They both share 2. They both need to have 2 in the x column. This is x is less than, so we put a number less than. This is x greater than, so we need to put x greater than. Alright, let's plug these in. 1 goes into x. 2 times 1 equals 2, plus 3 is 5. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 3, which equals 7. Okay, remember all we're doing is plugging this in for x. Alright, 4 times 2 is 8, minus 4 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12, minus 4 is 8. Alright, so let's actually plot these. Alright, so 1, 5. So let's find 1, 5. Alright, since this one and this one is at the line, the dotted line, we're going to have a closed dot at this one, we're going to have an open dot at that one. So closed dot at this one, 2, 7, 2, 7. Connect the 2 dots, like so. This one, open dot, 2, 4, 2, 4, open dot. Second one, which is 3, 8, 3, 8. And that's your piecewise function. I don't know if I said this on this one, but Kris Kringle is a special word. Kris Kringle.